हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजू साई। आज हम वन लाइनर के क्वेश्चंस को नेक्स्ट राइटर को कवर करेंगे, जो कि आज हमारा कमला दास, मुल्कराज आनंद एंड निज़िम इज़िकल है। मेरी वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें और मेरी वीडियो के साथ एंड तक बने रहें। चलिए फिर हम अपना टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं। The intensely personal confessional quality of Mr. Das' work recalls in some ways Anne Sexton and Sylvia Plath, who attempt to work out their traumas in their poetry. Whose comment is this? ये comment किसका है? ये comment है यूनाइस डिसूजा का। कमला दास क्या है? अ कन्फेशनल पोएट, एक कन्फेशनल पोएट नहीं। बी एमी, बी कमला और बेटर स्टिल टू मैड हैक्यूटी। दीज लाइन्स आर फ्रॉम, ये लाइन कहाँ से है? कमला दास की है और एन इंट्रोडक्शन की है कमला दास। आई हैव रीच्ड एन एज इन विच वन फॉरगिव्स ऑल। दीज लाइन्स आर फ्रॉम, ये लाइन कहाँ से है? कमला दास कंपोजिशंस। एंड द जर्की वे ही यूरिनेट्स, हु रोट, ये किसने लिखा है? ये लिखा है कमला दास ने। द थीम दैट डोमिनेट्स द पोइट्री ऑफ दास इज, क्या है ये? लव। कमला दास ऑटोबायोग्राफी वॉज सीरियलाइज्ड इन, कमला दास की जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी है वो कैसे सीरियलाइज्ड है? किसने सीरियलाइज्ड थी? द करंट वीकली। If I love is not to be had, I want to be dead. Just that who authored these lines? इस लाइन का ऑथर कौन है? कमला दास। A hot noon in Malabar is, a hot noon क्या है? A nostalgic poem. A Krishna I am melting. This is from the pen of Kamla Das. The theme that dominates the poetry of Das is love. I am not for saving mankind. Is it worth saving? I think it is time we make way for another bread on earth. Maybe a breed of cockroaches that can resist the DDT. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है कमला दास ने। Tradition, ideology, customs and beliefs that have gone beyond the expiry date should be discarded. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है कमला दास ने। I had looked after 2 Muslim children. It was an emotional experiment. I wanted to know whether I could love them, and I could. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है कमला दास ने। Firstly, I am mother. I don't want to temples and gods. I take my children as their substitutes. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है कमला दास। The alphabet of lust is from the pen of the Kamla Das. My story is the autobiography of Kamla Das. It appeared in My Story. कमला दास की जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी है वो कब अपीयर्ड हुई? 1975 में। These men who call me beautiful, not seeing me with eyes but with hands. I am sinner, I am saint. I am the beloved and the betrayed. These lines are from the poem An Introduction. Who wrote? ये लाइन्स जो है एन इंट्रोडक्शन पोएम की है और किसने लिखी है? ये लिखी है कमला दास ने। After that love became a civil door. When one went out, another came in. These lines are from the poem Substitute. They are from the pen of, ये लाइन Substitute poem की है और किसकी है ये? ये है कमला दास की। The Dance of Announce is composed by, किसके द्वारा कंपोज किया गया है? कमला दास की। Punishment in Kindergarten is from the pen of कमला दास। The years have sped along, stopping briefly at beloved halts and moving sadly on. My mind has found an adult peace. These lines are from the pen of Kamala Das. My face in the sun warmed has and smelled the flowers and the pain. These lines are from the pen of. ये line किसकी है ये? कमला दास की. No need to remember that picnic day when I lay hidden by a hedge watching the still white sun standing lonely in the sky. These lines are from the pen of Kamala Das. They sung lovers dying and children left unborn. Who sung? ये किसने गाया है? The announces in the poem The Dance of Announce. यहाँ पर हमारा कमला दास जो राइटर है फिनिश हो चुके हैं. अब हम नेक्स्ट राइटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं जो कि मुल्कराज आनंद है, जिनका बर्थ 1905 में हुआ एंड डेथ 2004 में. चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको. It is a novelist, short story writer and art critic. He calls himself Bogus Professor. He translates the native idiom and proverbs into English in order to impart a typical local flavor to English. Identify him. कौन है ये? डॉक्टर आनंद. This novelist was much influenced by the three events: death of his cousin and classmate Kaushalya, suicide of his aunt Devki, and his own arrest and caning by the police for breaking the law during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Who is he? कौन है वो? डॉक्टर मुल्कराज आनंद. All these heroes, as the other men and women who had embarrassed in my novels and short stories, were dear to me because they were the reflections of real people I had known during my childhood and youth. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है आनंद ने. किसमें कहा है? प्रीफेस ऑफ 2 Leaves and a Bud. Anand was awarded a Silver Wedding Fund scholarship for writing an essay on. आनंद को सिल्वर वेडिंग फंड स्कॉलरशिप अवार्ड मिला था. कौन से ऐसे लिखने पर? डेविड हम. He met a girl, fall in love with her, and got inspiration for writing reminiscence modeled on Rousseau's Confessions. The work was entitled 7 Ages of Man. The girl referred here is, यहाँ पर कौन सी गर्ल को रिफर्ड किया है? जिस एरिन को. Which novel did Anand write under the influence of James Joyce and महात्मा गांधी? कौन सा नोवेल है जो आनंद ने जेम्स जॉयस और महात्मा गांधी के अंडर इन्फ्लुएंस में लिखा था? द अनटचेबल 1935. This novelist contributed his papers to Criterion. He wrote to Confession of 2000 pages. He was much influenced by Charles Darwin's book Origin of Species. He also studied the work of Freud and Jung. This novelist passed away 20th September 2004. Identify him. कौन से हैं जिनकी डेथ 20 सितंबर 2004 में हुई? वो है डॉक्टर मुल्कराज आनंद. Anand founded the Progressive Writers Association for Indians under the guidance of Sajid Zahir. Dr. Anand met a popular American novelist. Dr. Anand अमेरिकन पॉपुलर नोवेलिस्ट से मिले. This American novelist committed suicide. इस अमेरिकन नोवेलिस्ट ने सुसाइड की थी. Who is he? कौन थे वो? अर्नेस्ट हेमिंग्वे. Who edited Indian literature? इंडियन लिटरेचर को किसने एडिट किया? डॉक्टर मुल्कराज आनंद. The novel Untouchable was published in 1935. The Untouchable जो नोवेल है वो 1935 में पब्लिश्ड हुई by the efforts of renowned English novelist. Who is the English novelist is? कौन से इंग्लिश नोवेलिस्ट थे वो? E.M. फॉस्टर. Dr. Anand edited an art magazine entitled Mark. It was Gandhi's Young India, the famous magazine that became the inspiration for writing a novel named Untouchable 1940. A French poet fascinated Anand much. Who is this French poet? कौन से फ्रेंच पोएट थे ये? ऑर्थर रिमाउड. This work of Anand reveals and condemns the useless of British pattern of education in India. This work is कौन सा वर्क है? A lament on the death of Master of Arts. About which book does Anand say it rushed out of me in 1 month? The Private Life of Indian Prince. In Untouchable, who was the Jamadar of all the sweepers? अनटचेबल में जमींदार कौन था और सारे स्वीपर्स का? लाखा. This novel describes a day in the life of a sweeper boy, Bakha of 18. Which novel is this? कौन सा नोवेल है ये? कौन से नोवेल में है ये? Untouchable 1935. Who tried to molest Soni, sister of Bakha in the novel Untouchable? Kalinath. Who is the owner of a pickle factory in Daulatpur in the novel Kuli? दौलतपुर नोवेल में पिकल की फैक्ट्री का कौन ओनर था कुली में? सेठ प्रभा दयाल. मिस्टर मेन वार्निंग इज एन एंग्लो इंडियन लेडी. शी अपीयर्स इन किस में अपीयर हुई है? द कुली में 1936 में. Munno, the hero of Koli, work as a servant in the hours of Mrs. Mainwaring. He pulls her in a rickshaw. He becomes weak day by day and dies in Shimla. He dies of TB. This novel of Anand presents the pathetic condition of the indentured laborers in the Assam tea plantation. Ganga with his wife Sajni and daughter Leila goes to the tea plantation. There Reggie Hunt is attracted towards Leila, who runs to the hut when she is followed. Ganga comes out and becomes the victim of the fire of Raji. The novel referred here is यहाँ पर कौन सा नोवेल को रिफर कर रहा है? 2 Leaves and a Bird. And upward 1937. Lal Singh is taken as a prisoner of war by the Germans in. लाल सिंह जो है वॉर के प्रिजनर जेल में ले जाएगा. वॉर के किस कौन अक्रॉस द बैक वाटर्स 1940. लालू Churanji and Gogi appears in The Blaze 1939. The Blaze people humiliated the hero because he gets his hair cut against Sikh religion. Who is this hero and in which novel does he appear? Lal Singh in The Village. Ananta appears in Ananta किस में appear हुई है? The Big Heart में. Who is the mistress of Ananta in the novel The Big Heart? कौन थी मिस्ट्रेस ऑफ अनंता की मिस्ट्रेस नोवेल में द बिग हार्ट में? द बिग हार्ट. विच टेक्निक इज यूज्ड इन द बिग हार्ट? कौन सी टेक्निक यूज हुई है बिग हार्ट में? स्ट्रीम ऑफ द कॉन्शियसनेस. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नोवेल which express Anand's experience in the first 7 years of his childhood. This novel is कौन सा नोवेल है ये? The 7 Summers 1951. I am a rat. This appear in a famous book of Anand. The book is ये आनंद की फेमस बुक में अपीयर हुआ है. कौन सी बुक है वो? द प्राइवेट लाइफ ऑफ an Indian prince? Who narrates the story Private Life of an Indian Prince? किसने ये स्टोरी प्राइवेट लाइफ ऑन इंडियन प्रिंस की स्टोरी नरेट्स की है? डॉक्टर शंकर ने. This is a story of married village woman Gauri who is ill-treated by her husband and mother-in-law, but she fights against it and finally goes to the city to lead an independent life. Find out the novel. कौन सा novel है? The Old Woman and the Cow. गुलाबो appears in गुलाबो किसमें appear हुई है? Untouchable 1935. कोलोनल हचिंसन appears in कोलोनल हचिंसन किसमें appear हुए हैं? Untouchable. Who calls Coolies a character novel? कौन बुलाता है कुली को ये character novel? Edwin Muir. Or regard untouchability as the greatest plot and Hinduism. This appears in Untouchable. Whose words is this? ये लाइन जो है अनटचेबल में अपीयर हुई है और ये किसके वर्ड्स हैं? ये वर्ड्स हैं गांधी जी के. Who has written the preface of Untouchable? अनटचेबल का प्रीफेस किसने लिखा है? E.M. Foster ने. They think we are mere dirt because we clean their dirt. This line appears in. ये लाइन किस में अपीयर हुई है? Untouchable में 1935. The Outcasters colony was a group of mud-walled houses that clustered together in 2 rows under the shadows both of the town and the cantonment, but outside their boundaries and separate from them. This is the beginning of Untouchable 1935. यहाँ पर हमारा मुल्कराज डॉक्टर मुल्कराज आनंदी फिनिश हो चुका है और हम नेक्स्ट राइटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं. निज़म एज़ेकियल, जिनकी बर्थ है 1924 में, डेथ है 2004. For a short period, he worked as a lecturer in English in Khalsa College, Bombay. He taught English literature at Bombay University. He had been the visiting professor at the University of Leeds. He had been editor of Quiet's imprint and 6 issues of Poetry India. He also had been the assistant editor of the Illustrated Weekly of India. Identify him. कौन है वो? वो है निज़म एज़ेकियल. He had been the editor of the Indian PEN. He edited the Emerson Reader, a Martin Luther King reader and writing in India. Identify him. कौन है वो? निज़म एज़ेकियल. निज़म एज़ेकियल क्या थे? An urban poet. The poem Enterprises is from जो पोएम है वो कहाँ से है? The Unfinished Man. Philosophy Night of Scorpion. Poet, love and bird watcher appear in निज़म एज़ेकियल्स. किस में अपीयर हुई है निज़म की पोएम में? The exact name. Island and the background casually appear in Nizam Ezekiel's Hints in Darkens. The poems in India and Patriot are from the pen of Nizam Ezekiel. When Ezekiel writes his poetry, he teaches, this time largely himself. Whose comment is this? ये comment किसका है? ये है गीत पैटल का. Barbaric city sick with slums, deprived of seasons, blessed with rains. Here the barbaric city is Bombay. यहाँ पर barbaric city जो है Bombay. Poetic reasonableness is the soul of poetry. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है निज़म एज़ेकियल ने. The aim of literature is discovery and expression of truth according to Nizam Ezekiel. The advocated cultural synthesis Nizam Ezekiel. Who opposed the mystical poetry of Sir Aurobindo on account of the ascetic vagues immensities of the mystic and confession between art and ideology. Nizam Ezekiel. Which poet is discarded by Ezekiel in his review of the future poetry? Orwin. A poem empty of knowledge is a poem that merely skims the surface of life. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? Nizam Ezekiel. Through the poetry we experience a reality that is surely greater than the poetry, but then only great poetry can point to a reality greater than itself. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? Nizam Ezekiel. The theme of the poem of Nizam Ezekiel is Nizam Ezekiel की पोइम की थीम क्या थी? रिलेशनशिप, love, sex and city life. Lead us unrespectively to what comes after passion and let us die love as though we choose it for a reason. These lines are from the pen of, ये lines किसकी हैं? Nizam Ezekiel. I want a human balance humanly. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है Nizam Ezekiel ने. I have made commitments. Now this is on to say where I am, as others choose to give themselves in some remote and backward place. My backward place is where I am. These lines are from the poem of. ये line किसकी है? Nizam Ezekiel की. And asked as the day declined, she brought out her small breast to be kissed. These lines are from the pen of. ये किसकी है ये लाइन? Nizam Ezekiel. My job is such no one is giving my Barbie. This appears in, ये किस में appear हुई है? Nizam Ezekiel's The Railway Killer. The best poets wait for words. The line is from, ये line किसकी है? Nizam Ezekiel's poet की Love Birds Watcher. Philosophy, poverty and poetry, three companions shared my basement room. These lines are from, ये lines किसकी हैं? कहाँ से है? Nizam Ezekiel की The Background Casually. I cannot leave the island. I was born here and belong. These lines appear in, ये line किस में appear होती है? Nizam Ezekiel की Island. Anytime, any day. I am not believing in ceremony. I am enjoying your company. These lines appear in, ये line कहाँ appear होती है? किसमें appear होती है? Nizam Ezekiel की Patriot में. Ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. This lines appears in, ये line किसमें appear होती है? Patriot में. My mother only said, thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children. These lines appear in, ये line कहाँ किसमें appear होती है? The Night Scorpion में. The Night of Scorpion appears in, Night Scorpion किसमें appear होता है? The exact name में. A Ben Israel poet is, Ben Israel poet कौन है? Nizam Ezekiel. यहाँ पर हमने 3 राइटर्स अपने के वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस को कवर किया है हमने. फर्स्ट हमारे कमला दास, सेकंड इज हमारे डॉक्टर मुल्कताज आनंद और थर्ड इज निज़म एज़ेकियल. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें. मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक्स और अपनी राय कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर दें.